this would be another example I want to share with you guys. These are junky free earbuds, right? And everybody's, don't take the free gifts. Don't take the free gifts. Don't take all free gifts, but I happen to know these junky $20 earbuds seem to always track well for search. It's not going to turn into a giant thing, but I am going to get way more interest in that than the annoyance of doing this video for a product that's probably not going to make any money on Amazon, but I'll trade not getting money on Amazon to get lots of views, subscribers, people clicking over to Amazon and make offsite money that way. So with time and practice and experimentation, you'll learn for yourself which junky product that's gifted to us is still worth doing a video for, even though it's never going to really matriculate into anything on Amazon directly. This is my real world example that these things, they're $20. I think you get a 2% commission. So is that 40 cents on every one that sells? I would have to sell thousands of them for it to be a meaningful number, but I can get thousands of views on YouTube because for some reason people like to Google and look at these cheap junky earbuds. Don't ask me why. If this kind of information is helpful to you, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and if you want more deep dives and more detailed information, this is just one quick snippet of a lesson actually inside the Review Business Academy. So go check that out at www.reviewbusinessacademy.com. You can sign up for a free 15-minute channel review with me. I hope to see you inside the Academy.